As an architect on MapsArch, adding your project is the best way to showcase your work. It will both appear on the global map and on your profile. Let me show you quickly how it works. First, you need to go to the Addition panel. You always have here on the right side the Create shortcut where you can access the different addition tools. Once you've clicked on Projects, you appear into the Addition panel. And there you can simply click on Elements and start building your project. You can go from tab to tab and finally click on Save Change at the end when everything has been filled out. Let me show you with a real case example. As you can see, I've now added all the key elements about my project. I have some pictures, the plans, we also mentioned an award here, we have some details about the project, a description, and the location. If you still want to verify a few elements, you can always save it to draft and publish it later. If you're ready, you can just click on Publish and the whole community will see your project. It all sounds very easy, right? Because it is. You can now add your project in just a few minutes. And our team is always available at support@mapsarch.com in case you have any question. We look forward to see your projects on the map and wish you a great day. Thank you.